feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To extend the life of your refrigerator, regular maintenance is crucial. Clean the condenser coils every 6 to 12 months to prevent dust buildup. Check door seals for tightness to maintain efficiency. And set the correct temperature, 37 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit for the fridge, 0 degrees Fahrenheit for the freezer. These steps help avoid breakdowns and maintain optimal performance.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.